Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and today your craft is going to be really nice. When you take everything out of your bag, you'll have a string, you'll have beads, you'll have a big wooden heart, and then you'll have two little wooden hearts that look like that. And I already started this, and I put my big heart on first, and then I put some beads on each side of it like that. The next thing I'm going to do is I am going to put a heart here, and I'm going to put a heart on this side too, so that this is kind of what my necklace will look like when I put it together. And over here I'm going to put a pink and a white and a red. Okay, 3 beads, taking them down like that. Over here I'm going to put a pink. What do you think I should put next? Okay, I'll do white, and I'll do a white, and we'll do one red, and we'll, whoops, he fell off, didn't he? There's slippery little things, and we'll take it down. Now, I have 4 beads left, so let's do a pink one here, and a red one here. I thought I had 4. Yes, I do. And let's do a white one here. And you can arrange yours any way you want to do them, and a red one there. Now this is your necklace, just like that, okay? These 2 pieces are tricky because this is going to be what holds your necklace together. And you have to put them on like this. There's one. And then you put the other one on the other side like this. Hardest part is that you have to make a knot. And it has to be kind of a little knot. It can't be very big. So you just take it and tie it one time, like that, and pull it real tight. Pull this down, and then you have to take scissors and cut it really close. I'm hoping these scissors are going to be sharp enough. Oh, they are. And look, there's one side to your necklace. Do the other side the same way. Make a little loop. Take this in. Bring it real tight, like that. And guess what? I'm just going to cut this one off right here now. Pretty close, and bring this down like this. And then the hardest part probably is getting these 2 pieces to click together. And it's going to take you some time. It just does. You'll have to maybe get Mom and Dad to help, but when you get them clicked together, this is your necklace like this, okay? And that's what you'll have to wear. Now, because it's the beginning of a new year, sort of, I thought maybe we'd do some things like this. Wednesday, Saturday, December, and there's some questions here for you. How many days are there in a school week? How many months begin with a J? Oh, okay. And then when you turn it over, there are 2 things here. And it says want and need. What do you want, and what do you need? And here are pictures down here, a phone, a dog, some sleep, some medicine, and you decide what things you really need and then what things you would want. Okay? So this is your activity for this week. This is your heart necklace. Have fun. See you later, guys. Bye.